So today we have here a privacy screen protector, and I'm going to go through how to apply this privacy screen protector to your phone. Right in the box, we have the protector here, and then we have wipes to get off debris off the surface of the screen. So to start, we tear the wipes. We use the wet wipes to wipe the screen to take off any dirt on the screen. Then secondly, we take the dry wipes to take off the liquid on the screen, and make sure we do it carefully. Now we take the protector and peel off the plastic back. We use the protector to swipe across the screen just to get off any extra debris on the screen, and then we align the protector to the phone and make sure it's perfectly aligned. And then we apply a bit of pressure to get off any bubble in the screen. Yes, so we got out every bubble and it's looking pretty nice. So this is the privacy. At an angle, you will not see what is on the screen when tilted at an angle, as you can clearly see in this video. So this is a short way to apply a screen protector. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions to ask. Catch you up in the next one.